They're copying somebody's style and ending up making no sense. I mean, you sound the same, so tell me what's the difference? You tryna let me down and I fight back, self-defense. Now I'm always behind this boss boy. Ngati totally left sentence. I'm so high, swear, I'm tryna reach heaven. I can see my future, that's so reverend. I've been waking like 24/7. I'm similar to Nick, I make things happen. Next lyricist, who could it be? Tell me, who should it be? Tell me, who you wanna see? Tell me, who you wanna be? Me, aka Orchestra? Or you gonna be a realist rapper? Or you gonna be a realist rapper? In order for you to get a paper? No, stand on your own and be you. You tryna copy who we see you. Just be yourself and stay true. Obangene boy until they feel you. Look, I've got my own thought, which is no camp. I say I just meters. I will never entertain them haters. And I'm full of shit, no pimples. They get excited when things going badly. Yo, everybody should stay ready. I'm a king of tomorrow maybe. And I stand on my own like a 1-year baby. Ungapheli moya Gijima san. Ungapheli moya Gijima san. Ungapheli moya Gijima san. Ungapheli moya Gijima san. Gijima, 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 Gijima. Pheli moya san. Gijima, 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 Gijima. Pheli moya san. Gijima, 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 Gijima. Pheli moya san. Gijima, 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 Gijima. Son of a king.